Hi, welcome to Honey Computing Services and welcome to Advocate Diary and Case Management. I will be showing you how to use the Advocate Diary and Case Management from mobile version as well as from the website version. So the database is synchronized for both of the versions. So whatever you will enter from the mobile version will be available in the website version. Whatever you will be entering into the website version, it will be available into the mobile version. So the database is already synchronized. You can use the application from any of the interfaces. So people use it mostly from the website version because data entry is very simple from the computer or desktop, and mobile version is also it's simple. I will show you how to enter from both the ends, from mobile as well as website. Let's start from the first step. So as soon as you start the app, it will ask you for your personal information so that we can track whatever you are doing, like whatever email we want to send you, whatever your number is, so that we can contact you in case of any problem or issue, so that we can proceed. So here I am entering in a dummy name like dummy user. Enter email is dummy@user.com. Don't enter wrong email address here, otherwise your application may not work properly. 10 digit number is whatever 10 digit number you will have to enter. Don't touch this checkbox, because if you unselect this checkbox, your online synchronization will not work properly. So this is for the people who don't want to send their data to the server and don't want to receive the data from the server. That means if your mobile is stolen or broken or damaged, your data will not be with us. So that is the risk you will have if you unselect this checkbox. So leave it as it is, so that even if your mobile is not with you, we can you can use the application from website version also. So click on submit. It will tell you that your expiry will be from whatever date up to whatever date. Then it will tell you that okay, your user is created. Now you can see it has sent you to the case information page, wherein you can add the case number, court name, client name, and remarks. Whatever remarks is optional. So for testing, I will be telling you that okay, I am entering 123/2013. Court name is court 1, client name is client 1, opponent party is opponent party versus okay. Case status is running. I am clicking on submit. As soon as I click on submit, my case is added. Now it has sent me to the case proceedings page, wherein I can add the next hearing, when that next hearing will be going to happen. So whatever the reason is for summons or whatever, you have to select the date. I have selected the date. Now remarks will be for your reminder. It's optional. You can see here it's already mentioned that it's optional. So click on submit. Your data is saved, and now you are on the page where you can see your schedule for the whole month. Now as you have entered only one case, you can see only one entry here, and if you want to search whatever, you can see as soon as I am typing, I can see court 1, and if there is nothing, then it will show that that particular information is not there. So this is search method which we have implemented. It's very good. It will show you how many cases are running in any particular court, how many clients you have with that particular name, or how many cases are running for that client, and whatever you want to search. So it's a single entry search, so it's very simple for you guys. Now I'm going to home page, wherein you can see different options. Like first button I will explain you is website access. If I click on that, it will tell you that okay, you have website access, and you will have to you can use this application. You will have to go to this URL on the website and click on login, and username is this. So your password will be last 4 digit of your mobile number. So now whatever your mobile number you entered, you will have to enter the last 4 digit, as well as you will get this email password, username and password, along with the verification email as soon as you submit the personal information. Now you can see here, if you want to update anything, you can go to update personal information, and you can see dummy user new. Like whatever you want to update, you can update here, and I will click on update. It is recorded. Now you can see on the top, welcome dummy user new. Whatever you entered, will be displayed on the top, and it will be used accordingly. So it's now you can see there are help icons, like on every page you can see there are some buttons or images. So you have to remember these images. They are very simple to understand. First button is a plus symbol, which is used for adding a record on any page. Second button is showing the showing the details. Third button is for searching. You can see it's explain, like it's quite straightforward to understand. Fourth button is edit button. You can see the pen and paper, so that you can again update the record, whatever, like you can update the case, you can update the client name, you can update the client court information. Whatever your data entered is possible to update. The only thing we have not provided is delete. You cannot delete any data because of because even if you delete the data, synchronization will not work properly. That is the reason we have not provided delete option. So the last button is for adding the hearing details. Now you can see I am going to main page again. This is the home page, and I can see different options. The second button is manage cases, wherein I can see how many cases are running for my account, and if I want to add, I can see here on the right side I have to click on add button. Again I have to add the second case, and I can select the code which I have entered last time. I can select the client, or if any new client is there, I have to enter here. But I cannot do both at the same time. Either I have to enter the court name, or I will have to enter the I have to select the court name. So remarks for drop down, I will click on submit, and new case is ready for me. Now I will have to enter the next date, so that it will come in my next schedule page. You can see now I have two cases here. So if I want to search, I can search that okay, in the court one there are two cases. For client one, there are two cases running in my account. If I write test, so it will pull only one case, because this is very nice application wherein you can make use of the search criteria also. There are many different schedule types, like you can see tomorrow schedule. I have clicked on tomorrow schedule and no record found. That means you have not added any record for tomorrow. Week schedule, if you say week schedule, it will show you all the records which are coming in this particular week, coming week. You have option to see month schedule. It will show you today plus 30 days, whatever your schedule from today up to 30 days. And if you have any particular option, like you want to see the date between 18th and 20th, whatever, you have to enter the start date and end date, and accordingly it will pull the data and click here. It will show you the relevant information. So you can add the case hearing from this place also, but as soon as I click it, it is saying that you have already configured all the cases, so it is not possible. Even though if you want to add it, you have to add the new case and then you can add the schedule. Or another option is you can go to manage cases and click on edit button. If you want to change whatever information, you have to make changes. So this application is very user friendly, and we have incorporated the feedbacks received from the different advocates. Currently more than 4,000 advocates are using this application, and they are very happy and managing their cases very promptly. So the schedule reminders will be sent to your email ID, registered email ID. There are 3 types of schedule reminders which you will be receiving. One is tomorrow schedule, one is weekly schedule, and one is monthly schedule. So it will be sent on regular intervals, so that you will not be irritated, as well as you should be updated whatever is happening on your day-to-day basis. So it will be kind of personal assistant to you, and charges are very nominal. Charges are not very high. So the most important thing is it is synchronized with the website version. So we request you to make use of this application and manage your all the cases, and I'm damn sure your time will be utilized. It's a very productive application wherein people are making use of the application in a very nice manner. I will show you how to use the website version now. I think we are done with the mobile application. It's very simple. So rest of the things you can go through and you can check. They are quite straightforward in the use. So let's move to the website version now. Okay, this is a website version. Now here you can see on the first page it is showing your diary dashboard, wherein you can see very carefully that whatever future hearings you entered from the mobile version are already available here. I have not entered from the website, so they are already available, like 20 June, 27 June. Clients is client 1 I have added from the mobile version, court 1 I have added from the mobile version. Cases, you can see case 24 and 123/2013. These two cases I have added from the mobile version. Now I will show you how to add the different things from the website version. It's a one step process only. Like you click on my cases, you can see your cases. There are two cases. You can search also these cases. So if you want to add a new case, click on add new case. Just enter from browser. I will select the code, or else I will enter the new client from browser. Now I will enter next fixed for whatever reason, next fixed date I will enter 26, running, assigned to self, remarks is remarks test, whatever. Now clicking on save. In one shot I have done 4 things. What 4 things I will show you. As soon as I add the case entry, it is added like this here. And if I go to my clients, see new client from browser, I have added one more client from the same page only. I have selected the code, that's why code is not added, otherwise code will also come here. My cases is okay. My schedule, you can see here I just added this 26 June and remarks dates or whatever. So this is the application wherein you can do everything from the one shot. From the my cases you can add the new case, or in case you want to change it, go and edit it. You can edit whatever you want to edit. So one beautiful functionality we have added in the website version is you can add your own associates or helper advocates. Like if you have 4 people working under you who are practicing under you, you can click and add new associate, like enter their email address, enter the associate name, enter the contact number and click on save. It says it's already present in system, say okay, it is added. So this helper advocate will be added to your account, and now whenever you add any case, you see here add new case, you can see in the assign to option you can assign the case to that particular advocate. Like Sam, I have just added the associate and I can assign this case to Sam, so that Sam can make sure that this whatever happening is related to this case will be handled by the Sam. So it is also that you will be getting the schedule reminders for this case as well as Sam. So both the people will be getting the reminders. So it's not that only Sam or only you will be getting. So you will also have an eye on that person. Your data entry operator will be getting particular information whatever he wants. So these all things we have done here for your use. You can see my schedule. You can see my clients. If you want to add a client, you can add from here, add new client, enter client name, address, email address, contact number. So email address can be multiple. If you want to send email to multiple people, it is also possible, but it's not mandatory. Only client name is mandatory, and all the rest of the functions elements are not mandatory. Whatever you enter from this place will be moved on the website on the mobile version also. So whatever schedule you are adding here, as soon as you start the mobile application, you can see this data will be reflected there also. So on the traveling time, or whenever you are out from your home, people may call you asking for the next hearing date. You can open your mobile and you can immediately say okay, your schedule is posted on 26 July for whatever reason. And same thing happens when judge gives the date, next date. You can open the mobile and say that my lord, I am busy on this date, so can you please schedule me on this date. So it will help you. No need to open the diary and pass the time. It will save your lots of time, because you have used the high tech application which will really help you to save your time in a professional manner. So don't hesitate to install this application. It will help you, and try to make use of this my associates or advocates option, so that you will be able to configure and handle all your associates and advocates in one shot. Thanks a lot for being with us. In case of any request or any new feedback or any suggestions, you can mail us at honey.computing.india@gmail.com. Our email signature contains all the contact number and email address which are there needed for your use. We are very thankful to you. Thanks a lot. and take care.